8 members of the Khasi Students Union KSU Central Executive Committee on Thursday, 27th August, appeared at Sadar Police Station in response to summons issued in connection with the 19th August incident. The KSU members reportedly reached the police station and produced the summon notices before police personnel stationed at the entrance. However, they were allegedly denied entry into the police station premises with no reason being communicated to them. Following the development, the KSU members left the spot. Addressing the media, KSU Assistant General Secretary Pinchai Borlang Rani said the union's members had duly compiled with the police summons by appearing at the station. However, he questioned the rationale behind summoning them if they were not permitted to enter the premises. Rani maintained that Thursday's episode should be the first and last summons served to KSU members while asserting that the police could proceed with their investigation and the union would continue with its own course of action. The development comes a day after the KSU held talks with Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and the Meghalaya government on 26th August amid tensions following the August 19th incident.
Bili bermentasni nak liang jengi di nongelam jongka Central Executive Council Barokhan idon hidup prangun ibla syakhan syak saman ki haki pulit lepo Sadar PS ke ni borom ni kejengkot jeki barok prangut ni poilang ti po Sadar PS menta kumba piru pisaki nei bang ya poing tei ngila peni keni notis jengi ro nak liang ki pulit kim sak benrong ya kei ngama kwa benong hangi kalong ba nak liang jengi ikam kentat kejengkot jengki ngilet Nri kei pada kebaja kalong ba kim sem syak ingi benrong tar kadau ngingim dan por ban yang saang tu ban ap saang tu si Islam nri ngihab ban mi no ban wan ban yelet ban pendep lagi jong-jong kikam te kei ma kwa ban ong kalong ba ya kasni jongi ke bafibu ngila pendam sobha nai pha syu ki notice ingi ki jingkhat ingi barok prangut ki nongelam jongka CEC dia kei ga kamram ba phidi bende kum ka tan pulit phile hi la ka jong kamram nakali dok ya mentang ngamla benong in song ke jing pen bailang barok prangut kini ki para dokhat ki para nongelam kiba lese ngilak ben perkhat aku miro ai kata ngimlak bentip nomor ba habang ngilak pen ka somen notice ka jongi ro hakmat itu nongap ya ka kerdap apa Sadar PS nri nakaliang kulit badan turu usngap jarjar upet te uspet tang tukot usngap jarjar te ngihap ben bina kam ai kanono kentian ngi ro laki sak benrung na kimsa tang kita hi